So, hopefully I've got this in the right place, because if I haven't, we're in serious trouble. Right, so let's go in with 35p palette, and we're going to use the black. I hate using black. But yeah, we're going to go quite high with this and round. It really is blending out as well. I don't normally like using black because I'm like learning. I'm trying to get better. So I just thought I'd have a mess around with it. And hopefully, and I'll get better. Right, so if you wipe your brush in between and then like blend it out a bit more, it'll give you more of a faded out look rather than solid black. Just gotta try and get both these eyes the bloody same. I don't look like 50 Shades of Grey, I look like 50 Shades of Daft. Blend that out. And then we're going to get some more of that black and pop that in the corner. I did prep my eye with a little bit of concealer. Doesn't matter what concealer you use, any concealer that you use. Right. But I have been using the Revolution one, but in C3. And I'm going to take some of this. I'm going to try and cut away at this. One of the many things I hate doing. I think for me it's just trying to get the same. And if you can hear any noise in the background, it's just my son, he's playing a game. So yeah, so. See, when I put the red up here anyway, on the side it seemed to blend in a bit. So it looks more of a darker red, to be honest. But yeah, I've not used any other red than the one in this palette, so I don't know why that's happened. But it did. So I just thought I'd work with that. Hopefully that looks similar. So we're going to go in with the red now. And same palette, 35B. This red right here, just above the orange. Using a flat brush to put this on. I did try using a different brush and it just wouldn't pick up the colour. I don't know why. It wouldn't, so I changed to a flat brush. We are going to go back in with the black anyway and darken it up a little bit, just round the red. Make it all look nice and neat. I think I will go with a full makeup look today, just because, you know, I've done this. Hopefully I won't spoil that. Didn't think about that when I said I want to go for a full makeup look. Okay, well, we'll see what we can do. I can always retouch it if I have to, I suppose. Right, it's done. Now I'm going to go back in with the black, and I just picked the wrong brush up, haven't I? Damn it! Now we're going to go back in with the black. And I'm going to pop some as well in the corner. At the front. going back in there and get a bit darker. You can't see it very well, but I did put a little bit of gold in the corner as well. Just keep rubbing this off. Just to... The thing when you do one eye first, it's like the other eye can be so unpredictable what happens to it. Anyway, make sure this brush is totally clean. I went in for this gold kind of colour just above the yellow, and I just popped a little bit of that on there. Looks nice on that side actually. Quick, tap it up. Right, so I'm just gonna do my black eyeliner, and I think I'll put my eyelashes on. No, I won't put my eyelashes on actually. I'll do my black eyeliner and I'll come back and I'll do the red. Okay, won't be long. Right, so I've done my eyeliner on the top. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner. If anyone's wondering why my lips are a bit weird there, it's because I've had them redone recently. Like my bottom lip filled more than the top lip, but yeah, when I'm redone. So we're gonna go in with this. And I hate doing this, especially on camera. But anyway, we're gonna go up at the side of this one. I did fetch it because at first I did it so it was the same. Oh, focus. Damn. So first of all, when I first did it, I just did it to the same length, but then I decided that I want to go a little bit further along with this. Like that. Now I'm going to go underneath. I did the red before I did the black. And you get shaky hands and fuck your eyeliner up. I'm gonna try and match this bit. This should be really thin. Like I said, I do want to go in for a full makeup look, but I don't know if I can now because I've done this like right near my eye, so I don't know if I can do that now. I don't know. I might try it still. What's the worst that can happen? It could go all wrong. So take your black gel liner. Drag that across. I'm gonna just stop it right there. I'm not gonna go all the way across. Like that. Right, so I'm gonna quickly glue my eyelashes on, and I think I will try and do a full face. But we'll see. And yeah, so I'll be right back. So I decided against doing my full makeup just because I thought that if I do my full makeup it's going to mess my eyes up underneath. I think I should have thought this through, to be fair. So anyway, I'm going to leave that, but I am going to put on something on my lips. Well, I'm going to attempt to put something on my lips. And I've got Lime Crime, the Valentine's collection, one of those, and it's red velvet. These smell so nice. They smell like vanilla. I love vanilla. So it's weird when I know it's done because it's like, I don't know how to put it. Feels weird. And because I like these so much, I really need to get some more of these. See what colours I can get and test them out. Of course, application sucks. Got a bit messy. Nothing a wipe can't fix. I've done it again, what the hell? God's sake. It's because my lips have been done, because it's like weird where it is. I don't know how to like do it too, and it's like, if I do it too far over the line, it's going to look weird, and I don't know. Wipe that up. Putting my hair down. Okay, so this is the look that I've done. If you do like it and you want to try it, please like, comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you later.